This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi A4 louder. First, consider what kind of sound you desire, from a subtle rumble to a more aggressive roar. We'll explore various modifications, starting with the most common and impactful changes to your vehicle's exhaust system. Understanding these options will help you choose the best path to achieve your desired auditory experience for your Audi A4, enhancing its presence on the road. Upgrading your Audi A4's exhaust system is a primary way to increase its sound. Cat back systems replace everything from the catalytic converter back, offering a deeper, more aggressive tone and often some performance gains. Axle back systems, on the other hand, focus on the muffler and tips, providing a noticeable sound improvement with easier installation and a lower cost. Both options are typically made from durable stainless steel for longevity. For an even louder Audi A4, consider advanced exhaust modifications. Upgrading the downpipe, which connects the turbo to the exhaust, can dramatically increase volume and add a deeper, sportier sound. Removing the resonator, a sound dampening component, is another effective and often inexpensive way to achieve a more aggressive exhaust note. These changes can also make your turbo sounds more pronounced, but be mindful of potential cabin drone at highway speeds. Beyond the exhaust, a cold air intake can contribute to a louder Audi A4 by enhancing induction noise, giving a throaty roar and more noticeable turbo whine. While not primarily for sound, an ECU tune can optimize your engine's performance and often includes features that modify exhaust sound, such as crackle and pop effects on deceleration. These modifications work together to create a more engaging and aggressive auditory experience for your Audi A4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.